Hello everyone and welcome to the session. In today's session we are going to learn about operators in Java. So let's first see the definition. What is an operator? Operator is nothing but a symbol that is used to perform operations on variables and values. So when I say symbol is nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Correct? So mainly we have some important operators in Java. Assignment operator, the second one is arithmetic operators, then we have comparison operators and logical operators. Let's see one by one in detail. First we have assignment operator. It is most commonly used operators in Java. It is used to assign values to the variable. It has right to left associativity. This operator has right to left associativity. So when I say right to left associativity means value given on the right hand side of this operator is assigned to the value or variable on the left hand side. For example, if we see integer x equal to 100, that means this value will be kept in x, or we can say the value given on the right hand side of this operator, this is assignment operator. Okay, the value of on the given on the right hand side operator is assigned to the variable on the left hand side operator. So in assignment further we have so as we say this is assignment operator. Further we have addition assignment operator. This is known as subtraction assignment operator, multiplication assignment operator, and division assignment operator. So these are the example of these operators and the meaning of it. So when I say assignment, as we discuss, like this 10 will be kept 10, this 10 will be assigned to value x. When I say x plus equal to 10, so this is nothing but addition assignment operator. Here x will be added in 10 and the updated value will be assigned to x. Similarly, we have x minus or equal to 10, that is x subtraction assignment operator. In this we will subtract x from 10 and the updated value will be kept in x. Similarly for the multiplication and similarly for the division. Before moving ahead, let's see the example of assignment operator. So in assignment operator, we saw the example integer x equal to 100. Okay, when we say this, we assign this 100 value to variable x. Okay, let me print this. Now you can see the value of 100. Okay, let's see the example from one of this. Let's print or let's take the example x subtraction assignment operator. So x minus equal to 5 semicolon. Okay, when I say this, and let me print now x, let's see what is the updated value of x is 95, because as we discuss, this will subtract 5 from the initial value from the 100. Okay, and nothing but 95, so it has print 95. Okay, then further we have arithmetic operator. These operators are used to perform common mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, I can say integer z equal to x plus y. So on right hand side, I am adding two variables and assigning value to z. Further in arithmetics, we have these operators. These are the names and the syntax. So first we have addition, which adds a two value. Then we have subtraction, which subtracts the value from another. Then we have multiplication, division, modulo. This is increment operator and this is decrement operator. Okay, so let's see arithmetic example. This time I will initialize a with 10. I will and b with 2. Let me print the addition of this a plus b. Okay, so this is nothing but the addition operator. Let's print the value and see the result. So 12, 10 plus 2 is 12. So it has added successfully. Okay, so this is a addition operator we can say, but sometimes it also act as a concatenate. Let's see how and when. Suppose I want to print something. the addition of a plus b is space plus a plus b. So what it will do, it will add this value, the outcome will be integer, and it will try to add here, but it will see like this is a string, right? So it cannot be added, so it will concatenate. Let's see the result. So the output will be the addition of a plus b is 102. See, so here it will simply act as a concatenation, that is linking the two. Let's see the third example, that is of modulus. So a modulus b. Let's check the output. It should give the reminder, that is 0, because 10 is divisible by 2. Correct? Okay, then further we have increment operator. So it increments the value by 1. And in increment we have further two types, pre-increment and post-increment. So when I say pre-increment, value is incremented by 1 first, and then result is computed. So in this case, pre-increment, first increment the value and then use for the result. In post increment, so as name suggests, first use for the result and then increment. Let's see this. So I'll take two variables over here. So one is I and j will be plus plus I, sorry, plus plus I. So this pre-increment, I just suggest, when it is known as pre-increment, when that operator comes before the variable, and what it will do, it will first increment and then use for the result. So in this case, let's print the result and see the how it works. Okay, first let's print j and then I. Okay, so both values are 11. Why? Because pre-increment. So it will first increment the value of I. So now the total updated value of I is 11. So it has print I 11, and then it will keep to j. Now the updated value of j is 11. Okay, similarly we have post increment. So let's the behavior of that as well. Okay, in this case, I here is 10. It will first assign to j and then it will increment. So j will be 10 and I will be 11. So similarly we have decrement operator, which decrements the value by 1. So further we subtypes we have pre-decrement and the post-decrement. For the post-decrement value, it will be decrement the value first and then result will be computed. And similarly for the post, it will first use the result and then decrement. Okay, then we have a comparison operator. It is used to compare the two values, as the name of the operator suggests. It is comparing the two values. For example, x greater than y. In comparison, further we have these operators. The first operator is known as equal to operator, which, and the syntax of equal to operator is this. So it checks whether that left hand side equal to a right hand side. So it is comparing the values. This is not equal to. Then we have greater than, x greater than y, then x less than y, x greater than or equal to y, and x less than equal to y. Please note this point, the result of this above operators is always a boolean value, either a true or a false. Obviously, the result of each and every expression will be true or false depending on the value of that variable. Okay, so let's see how it works. Let me take two variables. Say for example r first and with value 25 and s with value 30. Let's check the result where r is greater than s. Let me run this. Okay, is 25 greater than 13? Yes, so it will be true. Let's check by using this part, not equal to. Not equal to, it will be true because 25 is not equal to 13, correct? Let's check with the help of equal to. It will give false result because 25 is not equal to 13. Okay, then we have logical operators. It is used to determine the logic between the variables. Further logical operators, we have logical and operator, logical or operator, and logical not operator. And these operators also having or returns the boolean values true or false. First, we have logical AND, which returns true if both the statements are true. So, in logical operator, the first statement, which is on left hand side of that operator, is true. With the right hand side is also true. Then only it returns the true. So, the logical OR returns true if one of the statement is true. So, this is a OR operator. If the left hand side and the right hand side, if one of the statement is true, then it returns the true. In logical NOT, it reverses the result. So, for example, this is the expression. If value of this expression comes to true, then not true equal to false, correct? And if this particular block of the value comes false, then not false equal to true. So, it returns a true if the result is false and returns false if the result is true, reversed. Okay, let's take the example of this also. Logical operator. Okay, let me directly take expression there only. Okay, so we have R and S value, right? So let's check R less than 5 and R less than 10. Let's see what it prints. So this logical AND operator, see, is R less than 5? What is the value of R is 25. Is 25 less than 5? No, right? So this is false. Okay, this is also false. So false become false because in AND operator both should be the true, then only the result will be true. So what if I change like this, I R greater than 5 and R greater than 10. Let's check the result. It will be true because both are true, both conditions are true. One more example with not, and if I have this R less than 5, let's check the result, what it happens. Okay, first R less than 5, what is the value of R is 25, correct? Is 25 less than 5? False. Not false is becomes true. Let's check the result, correct? It's true. Suppose if I write like this, then it will change to false because this will be true. So not false will be, sorry, not true will be false, correct? So I hope you have understood the operators in Java. Okay, so let me just summarize once again. What are the operators in Java? Operators are nothing but a symbol that used to perform operations on variable and values, and we saw the type of operators: assignment, arithmetic, comparison, and logical operators. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment box. Thank you so much.